In this video, we're going to explore the new feature added in version 7 to add a constrained pole. To do this, we first add a pole as normal, and this will become our anchor pole. Right-click to escape. Now we use the small down arrow on the right side and we select Constrained Pole. So we first select the anchor pole. We're then prompted for a distance from the anchor pole. So I'm working in millimeters, so I'll select 5,000. And we can see now there's a cross where the pole will be placed when I next click the left mouse click anywhere on this 5 meter radius. Now I also have the option to select the shift key, and you can see the pole is now constrained at exactly 90 degrees from pole 1, the anchor pole, or 90 degrees below, and of course 270 and 360. This new feature will also allow you to add a constrained pole from a point or from a wall. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact support@mpanel.com.